If you miss any of the tips I share with you in this video, and I want to warn you, it's going to be the reason you don't begin to earn more money. Let's get right into it.
Yes, sir.
So we finna see how long it's gonna take me to make 70 bucks. And when we get done, we're gonna donate half to one of our local charities. So this is gonna be an interesting video. We're gonna see how this is gonna turn out. And I already got my first order of the night stack, and they're a bread coat stack along with a Panda. So nice little stack, 12 bucks what was shown. I believe when they stack the orders together, they drop them by 50 cents. So I believe there's hit tips on both of these, and it may be hidden tip. We got $12 for 6.2 miles, 4 items. So we already here, so we're gonna get it picked up and dropped off, and we're gonna check and see if it's anything hidden. Because I really do think it's gonna be something hidden on her. I'm not really one to take stacked orders, but this one was a nice little stack. It's one drop off, so that was a plus. And I'm heading in that direction anyways, because I like to go to Plaza, you know, to my little zone and pick up orders over there by the mall. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one knocked out, and we're gonna check back with those totals. Okay, $7.50 on that one. See, I knew that one was gonna be good, and I got $7.50 for that part of the order. My next order, we got $6.97 for 6.3 miles. Now, before y'all grill me, if you look at the map, right there where the business is, where the Chick-fil-A is, that's where I'm going. That's zone. That's right there by the mall. So I'm getting paid to go over there. And you see how short of a distance it is between the business and the actual drop-off. That's why I'm accepting this, because I'm already heading over there. That's where I go to do my order. So I'm getting paid to go over there, and it's probably only really a mile, $6.97 for 1 mile. $6.97 what was shown, $6.97 what we got. Look at that. $7.75 for 12.2 miles. Off, and I already got my next order, $12.22 right over here at Five Guys. 8.6 miles, 1 item, $3. No tip, no trip. Let's go. I ain't playing. I got my Uber Eats order. Now, I just got an offer from Doordash, $8.50 for 3.9 miles at Taco Bell. Going in the same direction as this Uber Eats order. Boom, picking that up. Then I get to Taco Bell. Check this out, 2 items. So now I'm gonna drop off 3 items, all going in the same direction, and 2 of them have a possibility. I'm trying to give you game. If you listen to what I tell you and you no tip, no trip all day long, you will get orders like this. No, watch when I get these totals. We're gonna see how much we got on it. Alrighty, so $7 for that one. So that means the first one really was it, and the second one was the add-on, $7. That's cool. Look at that. Look at that next order. $6.50 for 4.6 miles, teriyaki madness, but it's taking me back where I had to go all day long. I'm taking it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's cool. Good deal on there. What is that? $8.50 for 6.3 miles. That's too far. I can't do that one. Alrighty, so we have received the next order. We had Buffalo Wild Wings. We got $8.50 for 5.6 miles. Nice little $8.58, and it's taking me right back to the zone. So it's really like 1.7 miles, really. Alrighty, just got that last one dropped off, and just getting to the store. That right there is like half of the distance, so it's really like 13.55 miles. Get it knocked out. Okay, $13.50. $6.50 for 2.4 miles. Right, definitely gonna be some hidden tips on this one. Let's go ahead and get. Alrighty, we done for the night, y'all. That was a nice little 3-hour shift. We dashed from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and let's see how we did. So on DoorDash, we did $66.97. We're just gonna call that 67. On Uber, I did 25. I'm still waiting on $5 and some change in tips to come through, and that's gonna bump up to 25. And then we did $8.17 on Grubhub. $100 in 3 hours. So that's $33.33 an hour, man. That means we're gonna donate $50 to one of our local charities. We're gonna add that in, and we're gonna donate $50 to our local charity. My fellow YouTube content creators, I challenge y'all, make a donation to your local charity. Help out someone else in need. If you can, donate to a charity, and let's pay it forward. Let's keep this going.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How can I help you?
I want to make a donation.
Okay. Oh, what I'll have you do here is I'm just gonna have you fill out the name, address, and phone number.
Can I borrow a pen?
Yeah.
Cool.
And then I'll get that put in.
So I just put money as type of donation?
Yep. Thank you.
No worries.
All right. And then
how you guys doing today?
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Good deal.
In check form or cash?
It is in cash form.
Okay.
$50 cash donation.
Wonderful. Thank
for
you
the animals.
So much.
Trying to pay.
thank you. Did you want a tax receipt sent to you?
Sure.
Okay, perfect. I will get that marked and then they will send you a receipt in the mail. Okay?
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. I challenge all you guys, make a donation. Come on, man. We got to do it. We got to pay it forward.